Meaning of drip.
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 Drip. The word drip can have multiple meanings depending on context. In general, it refers to the act of liquid falling in drops or a slow and continuous flow of liquid. This term can also refer to a device used for administering drugs or fluids intravenously. When used in the context of a leaky faucet or pipe, a drip can lead to wastage of water and potential water damage. Overall, drip conveys the idea of a slow and steady movement or flow of liquid, which can range from insignificant to potentially significant or problematic.